Have you ever pondered the odds of survival when a plane fails to take off correctly? It's a chilling thought, isn't it? Yet as we dive into the stories of takeoff failures, you'll be amazed at the resilience and courage displayed by the survivors. Our first tale takes us back to the late 70s. A commercial jet packed with passengers roared down the runway, gaining speed for its ascent. But just as the wheels were retracting, a catastrophic engine failure occurred. Flames erupted from the wings, heat surged through the cabin. Amidst the panic, a flight attendant's voice echoed, calm and steady, directing passengers towards the exits. Against all odds, every passenger evacuated the burning plane. This incident set a new standard for flight crew training, emphasizing the importance of calm and effective communication in emergencies. Fast forward to the early 90s. A small private aircraft, a father and son duo on board, failed to gain altitude after takeoff. The engine sputtered, the plane plummeted towards a densely populated area. Quick thinking and a lifetime of flying experience led the pilot to steer the aircraft towards a narrow, empty stretch of highway. Their plane crash-landed, but both father and son walked away with only minor injuries. This story reminds us that sometimes, survival depends on making split-second decisions. Our final story unfolds in the early 2000s. A jumbo jet, just seconds into its takeoff, collided with a flock of birds. Both engines failed, but the pilot, a seasoned veteran, made an unprecedented decision. He glided the powerless plane onto the Hudson River. The passengers and crew survived the water landing, a feat now known as the Miracle on the Hudson. This tale epitomizes the power of experience and quick thinking in severe circumstances. From these stories, we learn that courage isn't about being fearless. It's about taking action despite the fear. It's about flight attendants maintaining composure amidst chaos, pilots making split-second decisions, and veterans using their wealth of experience to perform miracles. These stories are not just about surviving plane takeoff failures. They are testament to the indomitable human spirit. They exemplify our ability to persevere, to overcome, and most importantly, to survive. They remind us that even in the face of the impossible, with courage and determination, we can prevail. So the next time you find yourself in a challenging situation, remember these stories. Channel your inner courage, make that split-second decision, and who knows, you might just survive the impossible.